Hello, this is Colleen with Designs of Value Art, and today I wanted to show you a couple of new products that I've bought. And you probably know the gentleman that's invented them. His name is Steve Miller. He owns the YouTube channel. He's also on Patreon, called Mind of Watercolor. Now, if you follow him, you might have seen him using this. It is a 2-bucket of water. And what I've done on one side is I've added my blending and glazing medium from Winsor & Newton. And then the other side I just leave to clean my brush, and I use this one to do my wet into wet technique. Now, there's a couple of really unique ideas that he has here. He's got the little ridges on the bottom for cleaning. That's one. Another thing is he's got an area. I'm going to just try this and see if I can get a couple. Nope, you'd want to do 2 here, but it gives you 2 extra spaces. This is my brush that I use to do my wet into wet technique, so it's always going to be on my bucket here. But what's unique about this is the brushes are laying flat when they dry. If you keep them like this when they dry, the water's going to come down underneath your ferrule. This is your ferrule. It's going to hit, more than likely it's a wooden handle, and your wooden handle is going to expand and explode basically. It's not going to cause a problem, but it's going to crack your handle, and it's not good for the brush. But this is so unique. He's got just a bit of a drop here where the brushes are actually drawing a little bit forward. Really smart idea. Being a watercolor artist himself for many years, he was very smart in creating that product. Well, here's the other one that I got from him too, and this is a brush dryer. See how high this end is, and my brushes are down here? That's perfect. Once they're completely dry, then I can pick them up and put them in a jar or wherever I want to store them. But you want them to dry in this fashion so the bristles are down further, and that's exactly what he created here with his little invention. Absolutely phenomenal. Wasn't too terribly expensive. He started an Etsy store with his wife, who is a weaver, so she has hand weaved towels, etc. on there that they're selling along with his art supplies. Check it out. I think he calls himself Create Mate, which is really unique too. He's a very intelligent man. He's been painting for years as an illustrator, and then he started his own YouTube once he retired, and he's been doing that for quite some time. But check these out. They're phenomenal products. I'm absolutely thrilled with them. I just got them in the mail today, so I'm happy to have them and show them to you. And follow him on YouTube. Phenomenal artist. You should see his portraits. Oh my gosh. And he really does some lovely botanicals too. Well, thank you again. Check me out on patreon.com /Colleen D. Aiken. And you'll get to see me from start to finish on my paintings. And I'll see you next time.